Students, welcome back to your computer class. Today's our lesson is lesson number 10, Commands in MS-DOS. To begin MS-DOS program, click the Start button and choose the Run option. A new window appears. Type Command or CMD in the text box and click on OK. When the MS-DOS operating system is loaded by the computer, we get a screen that displays a MS-DOS prompt like this: C:\\\. Greater than. Wildcards. Two special characters, asterisk and question mark, are called wildcards in MS-DOS. The asterisk can be used in a command in place of any number of characters 1 to 8. For example, the command dir .doc will list all the files that have a .doc extension. So, a1.doc and abc.doc will be listed. abc.executable and abc.xl will not. The question mark in a file name or file extension means that any one character can occupy that position. For example, the command del list .doc will delete all files with a .doc extension that have these names: list1.doc, list2.doc and list3.doc. It will not delete list.doc, list123.doc and list23.doc. File commands. These are commands that work on files. We will learn 4 such commands. Copy. This command is used to copy a file from one location to another. The copied file can have the same name or a new name. Its syntax is copy source path name, destination path name. For example, greater than copy abc.doc d : will copy the file abc.doc from a : to d : with the same name. For example, greater than copy abc.doc d : new .doc will copy the file abc.doc from a : to d : with the name new.doc. Dix copy. This command is used to copy all files from one disk to another. Before copying the files, it formats the target disk. Disk copy is an external command. Its syntax is disk copy drive1 : drive2 : For example, C : greater than disk copy a : d : will copy all files from disk a : to disk d : track by track and sector by sector. Delete or erase. This command is used to delete a particular file. Its syntax is delete path name or erase path name. For example, C : greater than delete a : abc.doc will delete the file abc.doc from a : delete *doc will delete all document files from the specified drive. Ren or rename. This command is used to rename a file. Its syntax is ren path file name 1, file name 2. For example, C: greater than ren a : abc.doc new.doc will rename the file abc.doc as new.doc. For example, c:\greater than ren a:\asterisk dot doc asterisk dot text will change all document files into text files. Type. This command is used to display the contents of a particular file name. The command works for only one file at a time. Its syntax is type path file name. For example, c:\greater than type a:\abc.doc will display the contents of the file abc.doc from a:. Thank you, students.